You're about to learn how to hack the frequently bought together feature on Amazon. Now, I haven't shared this strategy anywhere else, so you're in for a treat. Buckle up. Let's go. All right, so here we are. I'm going to pull up Cerebro just in case. If you don't know who your top competitors are, well, let me break down the strategy for you. The way you're going to hack the frequently bought together feature is you're going to reverse engineer your top competitors, and you're going to see what products are featured under their frequently bought together. So let's go ahead and take a look on how you're going to do this. So again, if you don't know who your competitors are, just go to Cerebro and click get competitors. You'll put your ACE in there, and it'll just take a second for it to load up. This is if you don't know who your top competitors are, or if there are competitors in adjacent markets. For example, selling vegan whitening kits, things to that nature. If you don't already know who your competitors are, okay. So in this case, we're going to use charcoal teeth whitening as an example. Let's go ahead and click on this product here. It has almost 20,000 reviews, so it's pretty safe to say that the frequently bought together feature will have some pretty good data here for you. So once you're on your competitors' listings, and again, you're going to want to do this for at least 3 of your competitors, okay? And so once you're here, I want you to take a look at this. So what you're looking at right here is absolutely free data at your fingertips. This is literally telling you, this is literally giving you free customer data, and the market is dictating exactly what they're combining this product with. Okay, the market is telling you that these are the products they are buying with this powder. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so this product is charcoal powder. So let's just say this is your product, the charcoal powder. Now that we're here, let's look at this first product. So, okay, right away you can see in the title, this is toothpaste. So this is powder, and this is actual charcoal toothpaste. Okay, so I guess this is going to be for people who want the powder once a week and the paste for more of a daily consumption. So this is pretty neat. So you're seeing, okay, look at the title, coconut oil, teeth whitening, paste, but that's the keyword, paste. And right here, toothbrush. I mean, we don't have to look at it, but you can see charcoal toothbrush. So obviously, people who are shopping for your product, and if you go to your top competitors, you're going to quickly see what customers want to buy along with that product. Now, what do you do with this information? So once you have this information, it's very simple. All you got to do is go to your Amazon PPC campaigns and create product targeting ads. And you're going to copy the ASINs in which your top competitors have the frequently bought together feature here, and you're going to put those ASINs into PDA campaigns, right? Product display advertising campaigns. Now, this is going to do something incredible. What this is going to do is it's going to allow you to funnel sales to your listing from adjacent markets, okay? From adjacent markets. So it's one thing to tap into the sales potential of your current market, whatever your product is. It's a upgrade, if you will, if not only can you tap into the resources and the keywords for your marketplace and your niche, for your keywords, but you're also maximizing your gain and you're maximizing your exposure. So what you're going to do is once you're maximizing your exposure on adjacent products, right? So it's not necessarily exactly the same as your product, but they're related, right? They're in the same category. Look, they're buying these all together. Now, what happens is if you can get enough sales, right? Look at a few low-hanging fruits. You're going to put 2 products from your top competitors, 2 products each. So your PDA campaign should have, 6 to 8 ASINs max, right? So what you're going to be doing is, and sometimes these campaigns can be a little expensive, so make sure you're allocating budget wisely. But if you can keep this campaign on, let's say a minimum of 90 days, 3 months, and you're just continually getting sales and getting sales, And if you want to even double down on 2 products, you'll get results much faster. But if you can double down on 2 products and continually get sales for at least 90 days, what's going to happen is Amazon's algorithm is going to be looking at your product and saying, okay, people are buying your product along with the toothbrushes. So you're feeding the algorithm the data it wants in order to pair the products under this real estate right here. So if you want to take advantage of the frequently bought together real estate, you should, before people would say, well, this is up to chance, Amazon's algorithm is going to do it anyway. That's true, but you can always nudge the odds in your favor. And the easiest way to do that is just pay for it. So if you can pay to pair products together, and once your product is now under the frequently bought together, let's say for toothbrushes or for the paste, you're going to start to see an influx of sales from just from people just clicking right here, add all 3 to cart. Ask yourself, even when you're shopping on Amazon, you look at the frequently bought together, don't you? You're looking at it because you're trying to see, what else complements this product to further your enjoyment of it. And that's where this gets really powerful, because if you can pair with some of the top players, then you're going to get, an influx of sales right there, in addition to the sales you're already getting organically. So it's best to take matters into your own hands, pay for the traffic. You're going to have to pay for the PDA ads, but it's better to pay to put the odds in your favor than, potentially never getting a frequently bought together on a hot listing and, leaving it up to chance. So this is actually something you can do today if you want, right? You don't have to speculate. You can do the strategy today. And let this campaign run for at least 90 days. That way you can show Amazon that you're consistently getting paired with these other products. So that way it'll increase the likelihood of you getting the frequently bought together. So that was this strategy. Now I have another strategy where I'm going to show you how to get more views for your listings organically. Now this strategy is incredibly powerful, and best of all, it's incredibly simple. So if you want to take first-hand look at what exactly the strategy is, watch this next video.